Hi everyone, Yap here. So welcome to lesson 3 for the CloudFormation. So today we'll talk about the parameters. Alright, so just so you know, in our lesson 2 I forgot about what we do over here. Right. So actually in lesson 2 I do explain how we created the security group resource. Right. And actually this one is to reference your security group logical ID. So when you create an instance, is you specify the security group's properties, and then you reference it to our security group logical ID. This one. So basically, when you create an instance, you will refer the value and the properties you create here, and then by using this function, you can get all the info from here. All right. So let's go to the parameter. Right. So we do have the reference function as well, right? So basically it's the same, okay, at the top here, right? So you can see here is different. So previously we do have a value here, if you remember, right? We have a key, the value we put instance with sg. So when the instance create, we have this value, right? So let's say I want to modify it before I launch the CloudFormation. Actually, we can do this with parameters. Later I will show you, right? So let's just go to the just launch this tag, and I can let you know what is it. So parameter. So basically, normally we will have this, right? We will choose lab3a, right? So this one, instance name param. So actually, you can key in here instance name param, where we put this. Okay, instance name param. Okay, so this one is the instance name parameter lah. So when you enter the instance name over here, let's say instance lab 3. Okay, so this is the parameter section. We declare a new parameter section, right, over here. So remember previously we have one resource section. Now we another parameter section, right? I'll just name this section, right? So now we will create the parameter. So one is the security group name parameter, which after I create this, it will appear over here, right? So you can enter the type is string, right? So you can enter the string here, right? So after you enter the string here, so security name param, where did we use this parameter? So if let's say I enter test sg here, right? So this test sg will reflect over here, and then you will be used at here, because this one reference to the security group name parameter, right? So the group name, what I type here will be the security group name, right? So as for this instance name parameter, alright, what I type here will be reflected over here. So let's see, after I launch this CloudFormation template, the security group name will be this one, and the instance name will be this one, right? So actually you can modify before you launch the CloudFormation, instead of you have like, let's say you want to keep on reusing this CloudFormation template in future, then you can create by including the parameter section here, right? If let's say you only use 1 or 2 times, you can do like this. You just type in the value here, right? So parameter is to let you modify the value before you launch the CloudFormation, right? So let's just create this, submit. So first you will create the, as usual, you create the security group resource first, right? Okay, let's just go and see the security group resource, whether it's as what I enter. So you can see is test sg, because just now I enter test sg at the parameter, right? That's great. Okay, let's go to the EC2 instance lab 3. So you can see how powerful it is using the parameters section, right? So that is what the usage of the parameters, and I think that's it. So before you, I think it's finished created. So before you finish your lab, remember to delete the step, right? So that's it for today. Yeah, so if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, right? Thank you for watching. Bye bye.